Voice of Jiro. Stay tuned at midday. Listen up right away.
Hello everyone, my name is Ariel.
My name is Dora.
Good afternoon, Dora. Have you ever been to the zoo?
Of course I do. I've been to every zoo in Taiwan. The Taipei Zoo, Hsinchu City Zoo, and even the Shoushan Zoo in Kaohsiung.
I like animals. I want to keep a pet, but Mom says we can have another animal in the house. She has 2 wild animals already. Do you have any pet?
No, I don't, but I would like to keep a rabbit someday.
Same, I think they're adorable.
I like rabbits because they are round like a ball of fur. They are the first animal I want to see when I go to the zoo.
Me too. The second one I like to see is the monkeys. They look funny. I like to watch them groom each other. Sometimes they are 3 in a circle.
That monkey has a name. It's called Formosan macaques.
For what? What?
Formosan macaques.
I understand Formosan. Taiwan was once called Formosan by the Portuguese. It means beautiful. But what's macaque? Why not monkey?
It's just their name, just like how you and I got our names.
Okay, I get it now.
Do you want to know about macaques?
I sure do.
Then let's hear out today's ICRT Lunch for Kids to find out.
What?
No way!
Yes way! It's time for News for Kids! News for Kids!
真的假的？
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 原来如此！原来如此！
你不知道的趣味新鲜事。
ICRT's News for Kids.
I love monkeys. And we have a special monkey here in Taiwan. They are called Formosan macaques. But let's just call them Taiwan monkeys. 台湾有一种特别的猴子，叫做台湾猕猴。Taiwan monkeys are different from monkeys anywhere else in the world. But Taiwan's monkeys are wild animals. And wild animals are not pets. Some people take baby Taiwan monkeys and make them pets. 有一些人把野生的台湾猕猴当成宠物来养。It might sound like fun to have a monkey for a pet, but they are not pets. They are wild animals, and they should be free. So now there is a new rule. From this year, no Taiwan monkey can be a pet. 从今年开始，不可以把台湾猕猴当宠物养，应该要让它们自由。But we can't just take pet monkeys to the mountains and say, "Go free, have a good life." Those pet monkeys don't know how to live in the wild. 但是已经变成宠物的猕猴，不可以直接放生，它们不知道怎么在野外生活。So, the new rule says people who already have pet monkeys need to get a special paper. They can keep those pets, but they can't do it again. 所以，猕猴的主人可以继续养，但是不可以再养更多猕猴了。And from this year, no one can take any more wild monkeys and keep them as pets. Do you like this new rule? I do. 这个规定可以保护台湾猕猴。
Rumor has it long time ago, a lot of people keep Taiwan macaques as pets.
Right, but the regulations don't allow that anymore.
Because not just Homo sapiens have a right of freedom, animals do too.
You are certainly right. Humans should not cage a wild animal that belongs in nature. Free the animals.
So we don't hurt the animals.
Let's protect the animals.
Let's do it. Bye bye.
Voice of Jiro.